Today I am making a bird's nest pendant. I'm using 4 feet of 22 gauge copper wire and 3 rather large pearls. They are either 8 millimeter or 10 millimeter, I'm not sure. You can adjust the size of the wire and the pearls to your own liking depending on how large you want the pendant to be, but I'm putting the pearls about 3 inches down from the one end of the wire. Then for the long end of the wire, to make this look more like branches and twigs, before I start doing anything, I'm just sort of messing it up, gnarling it, twisting it. I'm doing that very quickly in the video until I get to about 6 inches from the other end, and then just smooth it out a little bit so it's easier to work with. Once you've done this, then wrap or just, enclose the 3 egg pearls by just looping the wire around. I'm doing it 5 times, and that 3-inch end of the wire serves as a good reminder of what the top of the pendant is going to be. So there are 5 times, and then just sort of weave the whole long end of the wire through to secure these little 5 wires that you have put around the pearls so far. I do this about 4 times. Again, I'm doing that very quickly because it gets a little tedious to watch the whole thing. And once I've locked that into a good stable position, always coming back to the top of my nest, then I'm going to do the same as I did the first time with the 5 times around, only I'm going to do it 3 times around now. And then it's just a matter of taking the wire and going through the nest and around one side to make the bottom or back of the nest, and leaving the other side open like the top or front of the nest. So just going in and out and in and out and around and behind. And if you want more of the nest to be behind, then you can make the 4 feet of wire that you're using longer, and then you can just keep doing this for more times to have a more substantial looking nest. But 4 feet works for me fine. um, yes, so just in and out and around and in and out and around, um, until you get to just about the end, the 3 or 4 inches of the wire. Then you can see I twisted that end of the wire together with the other end of the wire, and then I'm just doing a basic wire wrap loop where I'm using the round nose pliers to make a loop shape, and then grabbing the ends of those wires with some other pliers or my fingers or whatever I can figure out to get them to just wrap back down toward the nest. And use your pliers to tuck in or flatten down the ends of the wires so that you don't feel them sticking out. And you can then go back in with your pliers and make some adjustments if you'd like to fill in little gaps in the nest, or you can leave it as it is, or whatever you want. It's up to you aesthetically, and there's a little nest.